In today's video, I'll show you how to flip or invert your camera in Microsoft Teams. This can be really helpful if you want your video to appear mirrored, especially when you're showing text, writing on a board, or holding up objects during a meeting. Let's go through the steps together. First, make sure you're already inside a Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look at the meeting controls at the top of your screen. Find the camera icon, then click the small arrow next to it. This opens a menu with additional camera options that aren't shown in the main toolbar. From this menu, select More Video Effects and Settings. This will take you to a new window where you can customize how your camera behaves during meetings. When the Settings window opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Settings tab. This section contains the main video configuration options for Microsoft Teams. Scroll through your settings until you find the option labeled Mirror My Video. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn this toggle on to invert your camera feed. Once enabled, your video will be flipped horizontally, creating a mirrored view. This is especially useful when presenting documents, writing notes, or displaying anything with text that you want to read correctly on your screen. You can turn this option on or off at any time, depending on your preference. The change happens instantly, so you'll see your video flip as soon as you toggle the setting. And that's it. You've successfully inverted your camera in Microsoft Teams using the Mirror My Video option. If this video helped you, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.